Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna be showing you today on USS Nimitz. This ship was really big. I didn't do any research about it, but okay, let's get into it. So we got the missile that is here. Yeah, the missile. It's kind of good though. Okay. Then we got a spray. This thing. I have no idea how is it called. I forget about it. But yeah, then we got an Adsen, which activated this. Yeah. Okay. Oh god, it is. So it isn't going up right now. Oh fuck. Okay, it just got a lot of comments. Well, that's the first thing here. Then we have this helicopter. Nothing. Okay. We got this. I have no idea what this. It's gonna hit the. It's gonna hit a. And it adds an. Oh god. Okay. So it got a spray. Then it got two radar planes. Another. Oh, those are planes with rockets. I'm checking it though. Yeah. Look at it. Okay. I say. Mine. No. Switch to. Fuck, I died. Okay. Well, that's one thing. And then we have this radar plane. You can just let it and fly it around. That's all. It doesn't do anything, I think, so it's probably fine. Then, okay. Oh, okay, I'm going to land this thing. Yeah. That was not even soft, that was hard landing, as I'm looking at it. There is another, but this is one is I think this is a scout plane. We got the bomber. And slow this. Then we're gonna just take this and it will drop the bomb automatically. I think it's not riding. And he's here. So let's even talk about the details. So we got here the USA. That's really good. Then we got some storage. Yeah, it's kind of not working, but it's really good storage as I'm looking at it. Okay, now this. This will take a while. Oh, okay. So it will took out these planes, radar one. Oh, wasn't there? Another one which is a rocket. Oh fuck. Yeah, I hit myself with the rocket. Nice. Nice job, for real. Okay, so this is kinda dumb because I forgot that we should do this. It's kinda dumb. Oh no no no! Okay, yep, it falls down. Well, it's fucked up. I'm not happy about the video because it will take a lot of time okay. So it might don't need DLC, only color pack. That's all. You got here like I didn't show it, but you have here like a landing parachute. Now we can. Fuck. Okay. It's not working sadly. Yeah, but it's supposed to be working. Yeah. Then we have. I'm blind. It's lagging as hell. Yeah. Then we have again this. Gosh dang it. Okay, I fucked it up. I'm just gonna destroy this plane. Okay, then. Oops. Well, it's supposed to be working. We can do this manually, I guess. And I think. Oh no, it's not all. Got attack helicopter. Oh fuck it. Okay, we got attack helicopter. Yeah. Lagging. I'm going down. Yeah. We got flares. And yeah, flare. Which is kind of then oh fuck. Then we got nothing here. And so that's for now it's all. yeah. Let me know on the comments what would you like to see next. So that's all. Bye.